Hi, everybody. My name is Andy Dean. I'm the community liaison with Penn Medicine Princeton House Behavioral Health.
Hi everyone, my name is Pete McClary. I'm one of the adult clinical managers in Princeton House Outpatient.
We just wanted to make a quick video because we've gotten a lot of questions about how we've switched up our services due to the pandemic. And Pete, I just wanted to have you on to sort of answer that question. How have we switched up our services due to the pandemic? What are we doing differently?
Thanks for having me on, Andy. Obviously, during the pandemic, we've had a lot of questions about how we're running our outpatient services, and patient safety has been an utmost priority. To continue providing therapy services to our patients, we have shifted to a virtual model using a program very similar to Zoom or Skype or FaceTime called BlueJeans.
And actually, we're using BlueJeans right now to record this call. So, Pete, I guess I'm wondering if I was a client in group right now in your outpatient program, what could I expect to see on the screen here?
Obviously, it would look much like this. We're still looking to put people in specialized services, so you would be in a group of people tackling the same issues. There would just be a few more boxes on the screen with yourself in the bottom right corner.
So how would someone get started with BlueJeans? How would they log on to their first session?
BlueJeans offers 3 ways to connect to their services: through a smartphone app, through a tablet app, or directly through their website at bluejeans.com. One of the great parts about the BlueJeans service is it actually requires no account sign up, no account creation. You can just log directly in. So for starters, I'm going to actually show you, Andy, how to log in through the website. And to do this, we're going to go to bluejeans.com. Up here on the top right, you will see Join Meeting. All you have to do is put in the meeting ID, which acts like a phone number that will be given to you by our admission staff or by your therapist that you meet with after the evaluation. You put in that code here, you type in just your first name to protect your confidentiality, and you hit enter meeting, and that's it. You'll be connected to your group, your doctor, or your therapist.
Great, so now I'm logged in, I'm in a group with my peers. How would I get resources from you in terms of materials I might need to help with the therapy process?
That's a great question, Andy. If you'll look within the BlueJeans window, in the top right corner, there is a chat button. If you could just click on that for me. Now, if you'll click on the link that I sent you in chat. So one of the great parts about this feature is not only is it easy, it allows us to distribute all the information just like we would in person.
Thanks, Pete. So you've shown me a little bit about what I can expect in group. You've shown me how to log in and how to share information via the platform. I guess I'm just wondering, how are we supporting people who maybe aren't the most comfortable with the technology side of this?
When you call to schedule your appointment with admissions, we use this opportunity to start the process of getting you familiar and comfortable with the BlueJeans platform. When you go for your evaluation with your doctor and your therapist, this is again an opportunity to work directly with the people you'll be working with in your BlueJeans groups. If you have a problem along the way, there's always the central admissions number you can call for day-to-day assistance, as well as your therapist and treatment team who will assist you also.
Thanks for pointing out the different ways that we are supporting our clients, Pete. I just want to point out that a few weeks into switching over to virtual therapy, we actually polled all of our clients, and 96% of them said that the BlueJeans platform was either somewhat easy or very easy to use.
As I mentioned earlier, one of the great parts about BlueJeans is that it does not require an account creation or account sign up. You can log directly into the program once you've downloaded it or gone to the website.
Thanks so much for coming on, Pete, and explaining to me how the BlueJeans app works. Is there anything else you want to say?
I just want to reiterate that we've worked to eliminate all barriers to receiving outpatient services at this time, and thanks everyone for watching.